Stephanie, I cannot believe you got expelled from school for beating up Zeke. That's it. I'm taking you to Supercuts to get your hair cut.
Wait! A haircut? Please. No. Uncle, don't take me to Supercuts. Please let me stay home and play with Sporticus.
Get in the car.
Mom, please don't get me a haircut. Let me stay home and make a grounded video out of Fall Joy. Yes, Evil Larry, no.
Too bad, Nick Haggio. This is what you get for getting expelled from school for grounding and a yes Jack Spicer no many times. When we get home, you will have severe punishment.
Stephanie, it's your turn. Come and sit down. Hello and welcome to Supercuts. How may I help you with?
Can you please give Stephanie a haircut? Because she got expelled from school for beating up Zeke.
Sure.
Now Stephanie, you are done with your haircut, and when we get home, you will go to your room now and sleep until someone helps Zeke.